Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the f of x values are 50, 100, 200, and 400, and 800. So, as x values are increasing, the y values are also increasing. This means that this is a growth function, not a decay function. Therefore, we can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and C. The answer is either B or D. So the only differences between them is that, as you can see, B is greater than 1 in the choice B, and the choice C says B is between 0 and 1. So let's find the value of B. To do that, I'm going to use given data. So let's start with using this data. F0 is equals to A times B to the power of 0 is 50. Which means a times 1 is 50. So this gives us a as 50. So a is 50. I'm going to use now second data, f1. A times b to the power of 1, which is 50 times 1, is 50 times not 1, it's just 50 times 1, sorry about that, is equals to 100. To get the value of b, I'm going to divide both sides by 50. So b is 2. So b is greater than 1, not between 0 and 1. Therefore, the correct answer is choice B for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.